In this video, we will be creating a get endpoint with path variables. Select get from the list, enter the path, notice the star in the path. Star is a placeholder which will be replaced by real values at runtime, or when we will be invoking this API from the client application. Scroll down to the HTTP response section. Enter 200 in the response code text field and application JSON as the content type. In the response body, copy the actual JSON that this API should be returning. Now scroll back up and press the Publish API button. The API is now published. Let's also copy the URL. Here we have launched the terminal and we will be calling the API using curl. Type curl and paste the full URL. Replace the star with the employee ID. We will enter 111 over here and press enter. And the API has returned a response. Let's try one more example. We'll enter a different ID this time. Press enter, and we have received the response from the API. Let's try one more. Replace the star with a different value. Press enter. And the API has responded again successfully. In this video, we have demonstrated how you can define a single endpoint that accepts and responds to different path variable values at runtime.